So we're here at the side of the Keighley and Worth Valley Railway, waiting for the railway children train to arrive for the evening's performance of the Railway Children, which is happening at Oxenhope Exhibition Shed Station at the moment. Oh, here it is. This is the Railway Children train carrying 500 audience members. There it is. Enjoy the show. Look at that. 500 people. It's nice how people wave as well. And some of these carriages were actually used in the film as well. Wow, 500 audience members there. So it's pulling into Oxenhope Vintage Railway Station now, where the audience will watch a splendid production of the Railway Children with a truly brilliant cast. Fabulous treat for summer.